What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Cart Block channel. Today I'm just going to be cleaning some snow off the side of the road for free because I really want to drive my Powerwheel around, but I can't really do that since there's snow everywhere. It's going to be a little hard. I mean, they did plow it, but the Powerwheel has trouble getting through this slush thing. I don't know what you call it, but whatever this is, it's not very easy to remove, but I'll still do it. First, I start off by removing the top snow layer, and sorry guys, I have to do this with one hand since I'm recording on a phone. But yeah, I'm just gonna take the snow off, and on the side of the road here, I'm just gonna clear a path. Okay guys, so I'll try my best to record this because, I'm doing this all with one hand. Sorry if the audio is unclear, by the way. Okay, guys, I think I did a lot. The rest of the path is already kind of cleared by other cars. So, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I'll reply to every single comment. And bye.